Guys, I'm so pissed right now. It's almost 11 something. After this, guys, say because I was saying because you want him to wash her, you now delayed me. Me that I carry this thing on the bike. The guy is not even here, and I'm calling him. He's telling me he's coming. He's saying to the one, the key is not here. Nothing is here. See, that's why I actually wanted to like give it to a dry cleaner. Yesterday we were supposed to watch this place yesterday. He said it was late. I can't bear láàárọ̀ kùtù. So my dad bear láàárọ̀ kùtù. Now this is almost 11:20, and I've funny the to ten camera is I've never had breakfast. He said he was going to get food and every other thing. And I told you, he knows I have ulcer. This is 11:20. I've not had anything. I've never hold my drugs. If you see the way I was rushing, all on the paper had a man to buy being rush. My day being see how very sunny everywhere is. See how very sunny everywhere I'm here. I don't say because somebody want to help me and do something. I don't even I've even told that he's doing nonsense. You know, the money mumbo. Which type of rubbish is that one? This is almost 11:20. I don't even know the days. And today I don't even see any restaurant here. To buy us, mama time, mama. I didn't even hold my outside joke, and I told him I'm not eating for more. He said he was going to get for pajama padembi. I've been here since now. I'm so angry. I'm really so angry. But I just want to show you guys. Like, yesterday, previously, there was actually bushes around. But now everything has been cleared. They've done the tiling. That's it. When you have a responsible landlord and responsible agents, pass like that. So they actually done in front of their house. See, I actually used to have a policy. If you want to help me because you want to help me. Don't come and help me as if you are doing me a favor. Yes, I know you are doing me a favor, but don't come and me. So because of that, I don't even understand. You feel like saying, if you want to help me. So because of the lower coming soon, there is no key. Nothing is here. I'm just standing here and I've not had breakfast. Looking at it, there's no even pharmacy anywhere close. Nothing, no restaurant. Nothing. Usually before I leave on, at least I like to eat. I would have just entered the restaurant. He was telling me not worry that he was going to bring food. That he's buying food from this Bajomak Padem. That was all we had an agreement for. This is almost 12. We would have done this thing yesterday. Only way is already like Katosheto, time Timalo and blah blah blah. Now is this not the 12 o'clock now? What type of anointing is this one now? If you see the way I was rushing on bike, what to look if I see if I was delaying somebody and I got it. See everywhere is dry, nothing. At times, when you are looking for Osho, my whole Kenyan, Chiba would have just paid those dry cleaners to come and do their work and I'll stay with that. Which type of nonsense thing is this one now? And that thing is the gutter has actually been cleared too. Like everything. We have a clean gutter. That's a channel, that good thing. So whatever you do in Nigeria, just to have a good landlord and a good agent, because at least when you have a good landlord and a good agent, most of your problem is solved. Really talk at employer and be share with argue, but at least you know that you're coming back to a comfortable house and everything. Like, because there are some landlords that even if you feel like they'll make the house very, very unbearable for you. You keep complaining, why she do something, why do that. Guys, it's actually just coming after like how many hours? Just because I came to wash house, they're just coming. I mean, I've been under the sun since when. Yeah, but Edina is gone around. That's why I have one video. Video if you to back to go to look video. Wash it by 6 years. If you see the way I was talking yesterday, this 12 o'clock now. And I want to even got the dry cleaner safe. They help me to wash it. I don't say because you want to help me now, she give me hypertension. See, it's 12 o'clock. I've not had anything. No breakfast, nothing. If I start okay me now, nobody will tell me so. There's no even pharmacy around to even buy Osho drug or anything. What did the way he was washing me, babe, put it to one beauty, one big baby. Baby, was shameful. I should for missing no. That's why I don't like collecting things from them. Maybe it's because of the food that you went to buy. So that's why it's feeling like soup.
Yeah, no. Kí ló ń wò?
Something. He's an original constructor. If they carry bag, il est la fait one for. J'ai dit what you want to learn. Because nobody should even talk to me. And I've told you I wash my team myself. Because you want to help me now. 12 o'clock, nobody have not eaten breakfast. Not too much. You see? I said don't help me again. I wash it. But if you see where I carry this thing on top of bike, my hand, it about to break. Don't tell me yeah. What's funny? What's funny? She be back to she be 5 minutes low so. No.
I'm talk. I'm talk.
As in she be say kini later no, only pay the thing will take time. Making now it's 12 o'clock.
Are you going somewhere?
Yes. I have a date. I think somebody saying they need to watch it again. One of me log movie in food cook. This is really like this. People think question free. Should you stop?
No.
Okay. Yeah. Hi guys. TV. Where to be? What is your hand now? Where to be? Oh my days.
Wait.
Oh my Jesus.
I don't know what is.
Damn things like this. You're promoting question. Yeah, soon. Soon now. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Uncle Ashley. And of course, you watch my video. You're watching. Which one is this one here now? Juba. Yeah, I think we snap outside. I'll snap outside this compound.
Outside? Okay.
What's in more shape, baby? That's it for you now. This is your I should tell you. What's more fish?
Yeah, now.
Oh, they will even know there is a girl. There is a physical camera. You can even
who is that girl?
When you're here now, you have just do something for me to buy video Jesse. Do it from that side, video to this.
Okay, let's start again.
Guys, what's your photo? I'm come snow. You probably moved to my spring. Why do you move the spring to my door? Juba.
Do you want it?
After Timothy packing, you put it back. Oh my goodness. Hi guys! Hi! Ah, my chest. Wait, can you lift him, baby? Hi guys! What's it? Cotton. You got to my face also? I know that this guy has so many things in mind to say. My chest. Ooh. So guys, we're back. After that, I'm not eating. I've tested food corner, ordered for my own food. But they are saying delivery to this place is 800. For more, we'll show what to get on being new. Oh, baby, how much is delivery to this place? They say it's 800. So I'm told that my own food. Because of food, that's why you now leave me just like this. What were you guys doing? Like, I need an explanation. See, people not answer me. Yeah, I'm not talking to you.
Eat.
Leave me alone. I order from my own. Actually, you say you buy juice for me. Where's the juice? Momo Jebinu lowo, Mama Nike or Mafun Jebin. Tell is the juice they are saying.
Oh, you need to bear me.
So, too. You know, tell what be missing got to. So, what delayed you? Tell me, I want to know.
Stop now,
What am I doing like out? Don't be think. This thing is fine for cleaning. No, kilo de. Oluwa kini inu supermarket to clean floor. Wala o pay me kin lo aso. Like bag me that. Get my brother. Show me. Look at this fighting. How much did you buy it? Ile wo lo fe nu. How much did you buy it? Cafe le inu le. You ma buy your mi je.
Nígbà tó ń bínú, so because you fẹ́ ṣe kan kò jẹ́ kí èèyàn mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ ṣe mọ́. Ibi tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ fún ẹ, wà á listing.
Where did you say you will get there? Where ìgbà wo lo ní pé wà dé?
Ìgbà tó ń pè mí kò ṣe kọ́kọ́ sọ fún mi.
So ẹni tó fa kíní lélẹ̀. No, ṣé ìwọ ló fa dúró yẹn? Ṣé bí wo ló pick up ní 5 minutes? Ṣé o kíni tó fi kó fi wá bá wa ń bí? Mo wá gbé mọ pistic, gbogbo owó ló ti ń ro mí. Mi lè ṣiṣẹ́ o, mi lè ṣiṣẹ́.
Mo ní kó tó dé mi sí Dùgbẹ̀ kó jẹ́ kí wọ́n bá ń Dùgbẹ̀. Ó ní no, ó ní kémi máa lọ, pé kóun máa lọ. Ṣó ti yẹ ń sìn?
Because what I was carrying, nígbà wo lẹni méjì ṣe máa gbé kìíní.
Ìgbà tó dẹ̀ ti pè mí, wọ́n á pè é pé bóun ti lọ, jẹ́ kéèyàn tó ń lọ máa.
This is my fault. All I know is my heart is spinning me. I cannot walk. That's all I know. So you guys are just gonna do the cleaning yourself. You know? I want room me. That's a good excuse, man. I want room me. Seriously, oh yeah, room me go. Yi. Well, let me lay she nǹkan. Owó yẹn like olókàdá gbá kíní yẹn látọwọ́ mi. Kò ṣe mú mi lọ́wọ́ ni yí. Mi lè ṣiṣẹ́. That's why I'm not eating. I order for my own, but they say delivery is 800. That's the problem now. I'm gonna be what can you be no or not? People what you think? Shaking be no order.
Now.